Late this afternoon, another suspected Ebola patient was quarantined in Texas. Authorities say he had come into contact with Duncan, and he had also recently traveled from Africa. In the newsroom, I'm Whitney Ward, Crime 2 News.
Well, members of the Washington State Health Department were in Spokane earlier today talking in part about treating potential Ebola cases.
Crime 2's Sean Chitness is live tonight with a look at why state leaders say they are ready to prevent the spread of the disease here.
Randy and Jane, those health department leaders were here at WSU Spokane today. They say that many of the hospitals in our area are prepared to treat a patient with Ebola, but they also say health workers now need to spend more time paying attention to that patient's travel history to help prevent the disease from spreading. The first death from Ebola in the U.S. and reports of others getting the disease have many on edge, but leaders in our area say we are ready to treat anyone who might bring it here.
The state of Washington is really very prepared to address Ebola.
The Washington State Secretary of Health said today hospitals are already prepared for dangerous diseases like Ebola. Many in our area follow guidelines from the CDC to treat someone and isolate them from others at the hospital.
Standard infection control procedures that are used every day in our hospital systems are all that's needed to really prevent healthcare workers from becoming infected or infecting others.
Some airports are stepping up their screening process to help detect someone with the disease early. Today, local and state leaders were on a conference call with President Obama talking about Ebola. Washington's governor said he's ready to change screening procedures at SeaTac Airport if necessary. But local leaders also say people shouldn't panic about Ebola spreading like it has overseas.
It's important for people to remember that the United States is not West Africa. We have a strong healthcare system. We're prepared to address this.
And the State Secretary of Health also said that it's important for the U.S. to help those countries in West Africa that are struggling with Ebola. He says that's an important step to controlling the disease. Reporting live tonight, Sean Chitness, Crime 2 News.